Variables are going to be really useful when you're programming. Let's take a look at what they are. You can think of a variable like a box that you can store information inside. Remember, we're programming with Arduino. It has a microchip on it that's like the Arduino's brain. Arduino uses this chip to think and remember stuff. When we create a variable in our code, Arduino uses this chip to remember what we've stored inside that variable or inside that box. Here's where we come in. When we're writing code on our computer to tell Arduino what we want it to do, we can create variables. When we create a variable, we can give it a name. I'm going to call this variable brightness. We can give the variable a value or a number, and Arduino will store that number that we give it inside the variable. It'll basically put the number inside the box in its memory. Then, if we ask Arduino and say, hey, what value does brightness have? What are you storing in that variable? It will tell us. Arduino will check in its memory and see that brightness is equal to 2. Anytime after we've created a variable, we can tell Arduino to store a new number, like 9, inside the variable. Arduino will forget the old number and put the new number inside the variable. Then, if we ask Arduino again what's stored inside the brightness variable, Arduino will say 9. It's completely forgotten that the variable was ever equal to 2. So we can use variables to store information inside Arduino, and we can get that information back later.